Hello, hope you're doing really well, and today I'm super excited to show you this tool called Hailuo AI. It's an open beta and you can find it at hailuoai.video. And basically what this tool allows you to do is produce some really cool AI generated videos using either text prompts or image to videos. So what this tool claims it can do is that it can capture intricate face details, produce animations and film like footage, and it also understands the prompts well. And if you have simple prompts, there's this little pencil you can toggle on or off, where basically it will supposedly automatically refine your prompt into a more detailed description to enhance the generation quality. This happens on the back end, so you don't see the result of your new prompt, but in theory, it should help if you only have simple prompts that you use. In terms of the UI, it's pretty simple. You've got the explore section here, text to video, image to video. You upload your images here. You can see the images I've already uploaded. And here's the button you press to generate an image. It costs around, or not around, 30 credits to generate the actual video. And it takes around 2 to 5 minutes, depending on the prompt and depending on the wait time there is. And if you're lacking inspiration for prompts, before we actually go and show you some of the things that I've generated, you can go into this guide that I found. I haven't found one specifically for Hailuo AI, but there's one for Runway ML. It's the Gen 3 Alpha Prompting Guide, and it can give you some ideas on how you should structure your prompts. So here you can go with camera movement, establishing a scene and additional details. So this is a text-only based prompt. Then in case you're using an image already, you add that in, for example, this prompt. And then there's some sample prompts here, and I'm going to use one of them. And here you've got some camera styles you can use for inspiration, lighting styles, and movement types. So really useful guide, and I'll link it in the description below. And one of the first prompts we played around with was this one. So continuous hyperspeed FPV footage, and the camera seamlessly flies through a glacial canyon to a dreamy cloudscape. And the result was this one. So I played around with it, and basically I got this, which I find really beautiful, amazing. And then I had this bit at the end, which is the actual FPV drone, which I found a bit odd. Like they didn't need to put that in, but the first 4 seconds of the video is really good. Then the second prompt was a prompt I made myself, and this is a photorealistic moody video of paint being thrown onto a blank canvas in an art gallery. And it gave me this result. And this one's good, it's pretty moody, the lighting is low. And then afterwards I did it without the enhanced prompt feature, and it gave me this. And I added red paint as well. So I specified the color of the paint and it gave me this. So quite a different image, and not as moody actually as the first one. Then what I did some image to video examples, and essentially had quite some fun there. First one I did was the Mona Lisa. So I did this, and the actual prompt was, I put there, was this one. And I actually made a spelling mistake there when I generated it. So I put animate Mona Lisa and me eat an ice cream. And I put and here. So it generated something weird, and I was like, well, my Mona Lisa is not eating an ice cream, but that was because of my prompt, but it's still kind of interesting. And then the second one I did, even though I did put the spelling error in there, and I left that specifically for demo purposes, it's just, casually pops up an ice cream and starts eating it. So that one is good. I like that one. It's an interesting one. Then I did one with Mike Tyson and Jake Paul, because, we had the fight yesterday. And essentially, you can see here, I put start a fight between the guys. So here we go. And then they start fighting. This is quite interesting. And there's a guy that tries to help them out. And then I made the guy on the left, so Mike Tyson punch Jake Paul. And it also does it. And this is where it like phases out completely. As you can see, it starts like going weird, and he's punching the air, and it still punches him. So some weird random things that do happen sometimes, but it is quite interesting to see. And then I'll show you some of the examples of the community. And you can actually see the prompts for these ones. So for example, this one's is pretty cool. So pull camera shot of the man running toward the camera. So this one's a really cool one. Really detailed, and there's some monster running behind him. And then I'll just show you another one, and this cool cat, which turns into electricity and starts pacing towards you. So this one is really cool as well. In terms of different plans, so what's really cool with this tool is that you have the first 3 days free and you actually have unlimited credits. So try it out for the first 3 days, see what you can do. And then afterwards, in terms of pricing, I feel like it's pretty fair. So it's $10 a month and you get 1,000 credits. And essentially that gives you 30 free videos that you can generate. And if you want unlimited, then it's $95 a month. So this is more expensive. It's only if you have a specific use case that you would want to use this one. So that's it. Go ahead and try it out. To be honest, it's one of the more fun tools out there that I've tried out for image generation. I'm still playing around with it, trying to see what I can do, trying to see if I can generate the exact videos that I want. And essentially, yeah, that's it. Try it out. And if you like this video, like. If you tried out the tool, please comment and let me know what you think of it. And if you like the other videos, feel free to subscribe. Have a good day. Bye.